Welcome back. My name is Theresa and I'm very much hands. I have an awful, garbage, filthy mouth where sometimes, just sometimes, I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. I know it's startling, but get used to it. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit the video here. No harm, no foul. But I'll remember our time fondly. Y'all, we have another unboxing video to do today and I am so excited. Let's talk about it. We're gonna unbox the Glossybox Black Friday box.
Ooh.
All jokes aside, this box is amazing. Like this, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Let's just hope everything that's inside of it is as amazing as the outside of this box. You have a lot to live up to, Glossybox, okay? You can't make cute packaging like this and have less than exciting products. Anyway, first and foremost, before we open this bad boy, I do want to say thank you so much to Glossybox for sending this my way. I appreciate it. And like last time with the advent calendar, Glossybox has given me another code. If you use the code Theresa, you'll get your first box for $16 and give you $5 off this limited edition box when you subscribe. For more information, everything will be listed in the description box. Now, without further ado, let's see what's in this box. Packaging? Amazing. Glossybox kills it with packaging. You really, really do. I think out of all the subscription boxes, by far the prettiest bitch in the land. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna undress her. Oh my God, I feel this is so gratifying. All right, so this is the Black Friday limited edition thing. I don't want to open it up. We're not going to look at it because we don't want to ruin it, right? So we're going to toss that over on the side, but of course we will open this up later because it'll tell you all the information about said products. So, God, this paper is so good. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Okay. All right, we got a lot of stuff. So the first thing is dry shampoo from the brand Collab, which you get a nice big bottle actually. Which if you're anything like me and you're lazy, this will come in handy. Or actually, if you have fine hair like me, you know, witch brittle hair, I usually find to give myself some volume, there are two products that work for me really well. One is this product, this like Puff Me one, but sometimes it can kind of give your hair a little bit of texture. So if you don't want to deal with that, then I recommend using dry shampoo. Just remember to brush your hair because sometimes it likes to give you like white patches where it looks like you're aging really fast. And in all reality, you're closer to death than you realize, but you don't want other people to see that. Anyway.
Ooh.
The next product is Brute Rose, and this is a deep conditioning color and protect hydrating mask. This product is infused with wine, rose, and strawberry extracts to help protect and maintain color. Free of sulfates, parabens, and artificial colors. So that's nice, you get a nice little hair mask. That's kind of a little bit lost on me because I do not color treat my hair, but my mom does. She likes to pretend that she's blonde. So we're gonna give this to her. Oh, fun. Oh, you get 2 packs. Oh my God, yay, they're friends. The next thing is from CBD FX, and this is a soothing bath bomb with 200 milligrams of CBD. I have been dipping my toe into more CBD stuff because it actually has been helping soothe my redness. I'm excited, one, because I actually have a bathtub in my queen's apartment. The last apartment that I had, you couldn't even give me $1 million to take a bath in that tub. So I'm excited that I have this tub that I get to throw this in there. Good luck trying to get me out of the tub, but hey, for that brief couple of hours until emergency services has to cut me out of the tub, I'll get to be relaxed with the soothing
CBD bath bomb.
The next product is from Perlice and it's the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. This is fabulous. When I went to Ipsy Generation Beauty, the Perlice booth was there and I was able to pick up a couple of their products, one of them being this as well as their BB cream. I really love this, and sometimes for extra hydration, and because my skin is so dry, I actually use this product first and then put my primer on and whatever. But this is fantastic. So the next product is from Ciate London, and this is the Stamp and Drag. Okay, let's open this up. I have never tried. Hi, I would like for you to come out now. Ooh, you're a big bitch. Okay. Oh. Okay. What's this side? Oh my God, what? What the fuck is this? This is cool. What? Oh my God, look at me, I made a baby wing. Oh my God, I'm not even joking around. I'm like, this is amazing. Oh my God, I suck at doing wings. Oh my God, I can't wait to play with this. I feel like there should be more products like this. Oh my God, I hope it works. Oh Jesus. Oh, that's so satisfying. Oh my God. All right, I mean, she's a little thick. She's like a magic marker. Let's see, even the thin side. Actually, you can get the line to be pretty thin, which is nice. So don't let this fat little tip fool you. Oh my God. This is fabulous. Oh my God, this is fabulous. Okay, I can't wait to use this. I really hope this works. But this is a pretty cool product. The next product is from Basic Beauty, and here are some tweezers. Very nice little pink pair of tweezers. I don't really know what I would do with these other than probably pick my skin with it, because I feel like that would be the most satisfying thing to do with it. I suppose you can clean up your brow hairs, but why do that when I could just shave it off? The next product is from Perique, and it's called the Reface Me Vitamin C Serum. I've been trying a lot of serums lately, so I am intrigued to try this guy out. But we're gonna leave him closed because I have a lot of serums currently open. So the next product is from Robicidin. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, so I apologize if I'm butchering it. But this is the Skin Essentials Activating Treatment Lotion. It looks very scientific. It's what I imagined the T-virus looks like right before it became the T-virus in Resident Evil, right? Am I the only one? Today is a day where I just fuck up all the names. This is from a brand called Parenza Schuler. Bueller? I don't know. It's a perfume called Arizona, which this is lost on me because I don't have a sense of smell. But anyway, we're gonna open it up and look at the bottle anyway and judge it, because that's what you do. Yeah, it smells like perfume. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. It just smells like perfume though. So we're just gonna close that back up and pretend we never opened it. So the next product is from Dr. Babur or Dr. Babor, whatever you think is funnier. This is the Hydro RX 3D Hydro Gel Lip Pad. I don't know about y'all, but I've been watching a lot of Real Housewives, so I'm actually kind of excited to try this because I feel like I should get my lips done. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that, but when I watch Housewives, I wanna do it. That and cool sculpting, that looks like so much fun. And this is the last product in the box, and it's from a brand called Sets. And this is a blot and translucent powder. That's what you could look like when you're using this powder. And you actually get 3 samples. I love that. I love that you could put it in your pocket if you want to. This makes more sense, but the pocket one, all right. So this box technically retails for $25, but if you do become a Glossybox member, you can get this box for $20. Now with that said, oops, we forgot to include that. So opening this up, this oil-based serum retails for $28, and this is a full-size product. The Robicidin, I'm so sorry if I'm butchering this. This is a deluxe mini, and the full size of this one retails for about $29. And this is actually a toner and essence that moisturizes the skin while evening out texture and neutralizing free radicals. I don't know, I always think about that movie, The Truth About Cats and Dogs, where Janine Garofalo is staring at her face in the mirror and the sales associate's like,
do you know what free radicals are?
Anyway, all right, I digress. The CBD FX Bath Bomb, this retails for $7.99. All right, I feel like that's fair for a bath bomb, right? I don't know, I don't really buy bath bombs. Is that fair? Let me know down below. The Real Housewives Dr. Babur Hydro RX 3D Hydro Gel Lip Pads. This is a full-size product and this retails for $29. That's fun. I'm actually honestly excited to try this. I just want to have big, plump Lisa Rinna lips. Make that happen. This little Arizona iced tea perfume, the full size retails for $100. But this is a deluxe mini. I don't know, it smells like perfume to me, so that doesn't really mean anything. But this has, apparently it's white cactus accord and a unique mineral signature. I don't know what that means. Okay, fine. Basic Beauty. Okay, here are the tweezers. These guys, this is a full-size product, obviously. This retails for $6. The dry shampoo from the brand Collab is $5.49. Okay, I feel like that's pretty fair for a giant size dry shampoo. I'm excited about that. The next product is from Ciate London. This one retails for $19. I'm really, really intrigued to try it. Oh wow, oh shit, oh damn. Well, we love a bitch that dries down fast. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So I guess I was supposed to receive a Kiehl's product. Kiehl's is a great brand, and I would have loved to try that product. Because the Kiehl's product was a brightening moisturizer infused with pomegranate extracts and illuminating minerals, which sounds amazing. Fortunately, we can't talk about that. But, so we're gonna move on. This powder, apparently, this is a single dose. Sounds very weird to say that out loud, but okay. Anyway, the full size 15 sheets retail for about $9.99 a piece. I'm intrigued to try this. This is kind of interesting. I don't know, it's kind of selling me the fact that you could put it in your pocket. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, word. Okay, that's interesting. That's really interesting. Okay, so wait a second. I'm actually not that mad because I realized I guess they must have sent the Perlice one instead of the Kiehl's. So I guess they ran out of the Kiehl's and they sent Perlice, which I'm totally fine with because this product, this particular product, is actually really good. So I'm actually very, very happy. So thank you. I kind of almost wish in these things it would tell you too, like maybe like a little asterisk, like, hey, if you didn't get this, you might get this. Because that would be kind of nice. But whatever, I'm asking for too much. Okay, and then last but not least, these 2 hair masks from the brand Husk, which I think I failed to say the brand before. These are about $3.99 a piece. So cool. So this big box, I think for $20 to $25 is actually not bad because I feel like the majority of the products I'm actually going to be using. There's just a couple that I'm like, I don't really care about. Like the hair masks, whatever. The tweezers, meh. And the perfume, not into it. Everything else though, I'm actually intrigued to try. And yeah, I think kind of based off of that, I'm pleasantly surprised. If I did receive this as a gift, I wouldn't be upset about it. Anyway, with that said, if you are interested in picking this up, use code Theresa so you can get your first Glossybox for $16 and it will give you $5 off this limited edition box. Anyway, let me know down below if you're interested in checking this out. With that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my patron bubbies, thank you so much, as always, for just being adorable. And thank you, as always, for keeping this disgusting, delicious, really gross, disgusting garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do it without you, and I appreciate and love each and every one of you. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, which is Hollow Taco, by the way, no surprise there, as well as links to my podcast and merch, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little pumpkins later. Bye.